In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your avatar in CoinMarketCap. This is a simple process that allows you to personalize your CoinMarketCap profile to better reflect your identity, or just to refresh your look. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just getting started, customizing your profile with a new avatar is a great way to stand out in the community. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to go to the CoinMarketCap website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon. Click on it. This is your gateway to all things settings related on CoinMarketCap. After clicking on the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the settings option. Now, this might take you to a page filled with several configuration options for your account, but don't worry. Our focus today is finding the perfect avatar. As you navigate through the settings page, you should see an option that displays your current avatar or a placeholder image if you haven't set one yet. There will be an edit button right next to it. Click on this edit button to proceed. This action will prepare you to make changes to your avatar. Once you have clicked edit, you'll be presented with a choice. Either select an avatar from a preloaded selection or upload one from your personal files. If you decide to upload your avatar, make sure the image is clear and appropriate. It's often best to choose images that are easily recognizable, even when scaled down to a smaller size. Having a good, high-quality image can make a significant difference in how your profile is perceived by others. Now that you've either selected or uploaded your desired avatar, there's just one crucial step left: saving your changes. Find the Save button, typically located near the bottom or the top right of the page, and give it a good click. This action ensures that your new avatar is secured and visible on your profile for everyone to see. By following these steps, you've successfully customized your avatar on CoinMarketCap. It's really that easy to add a personal touch to your profile. Don't underestimate the power of a good avatar. It can help people recognize you in forums, discussions, and across the crypto community. And there you have it. You've learned how to change your avatar on CoinMarketCap, bringing a little more of yourself into the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.